Hello, today I will show you how to download and install the Adobe PDF Reader software. Step 1. Open a web browser. You can open any web browser you have. Step 2. Go to the Adobe Reader download page. Go to google.com and type Adobe Reader and press Enter. Look for the official Adobe website link that says Download Adobe Acrobat Reader and click on it. Step 3. Download Adobe Reader. On the Adobe download page, you might see optional offers. If you don't want these extra programs, uncheck the boxes. Click on Download Acrobat Reader. Now wait for it to complete the download. Step 4. Install Adobe Reader. Once the file is downloaded, open the installer. If a user account control window appears, click Yes to allow installation. Follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the installation to complete. Step 5. Complete installation. Once the installation is finished, click Finish, and you can now open Adobe Reader and start using it. If a web page or survey opens, you can just close the browser. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.